To remove properties from within IRT-DREAM, all you need to do is go to the data window. You can see a list of your properties. You can either select them all, and when we click this checkbox we see a tick beside all of the properties that are now selected. We can click delete properties to remove all of them. We can untick certain properties if we want to remove some. When we delete properties, it will come up and tell us that we are going to delete them and that the action cannot be undone. We click OK and it removes them from the project. We can also, if we go into a property, when it loads the information, if I scroll to the very bottom, you'll see there is a button that also says delete property, and when we click that, same as before, the action cannot be undone once you've done this. You confirm the action and it is removed from the total.